you can see here. So by inserting this formula here, so it is checking in data 03 historic volumes, and whenever you have greater than 0 values, it will provide so true statement, otherwise nothing it will provide. It will check each and every store and product SKU, each and everything it will check. So anyway, so we completed this system 0 13 account filter module. So after completing this module, we have another activity, like by completing this activity we can close user story number 3. So you can see we have to create one expert view here. So expert saved view we need to create saved view for data 03 module. So we need to create one saved view here. So in data hub model, data 03 historic volume module create saved view for the exporting. So why we are creating this saved views and each and everything? What is the advantage of this saved view?
Exporting.
For exporting and
Exporting and importing, okay, but
data.
by without creating
Yes.
saved view also you can do export and import now. What is the advantage?
So custom, we can
Yes.
do the customization.
We can
We can export.
We can.
specific data what we want, we can export and import.
So on the base of requirement, we don't want to each and every line item to export or import, okay na? So we want some specific data. So on the base of end user requirement, so whatever he want, that line items only we can do export. So that is the reason we create here. So saved view and each and everything. So otherwise directly default module also you can do export, okay na?
Sir, if in default module, if any insertion or any data adds, will it reflect in the saved view, sir?
1 minute. In which one? In default module?
If any data gets added into the default mode of a module, then will it gets added into the saved view, sir?
Saved view means in saved view, whatever the line items if you are asked to show, if related to that module, it is that line items it will reflect. But you are in saved view you are asking only one line item, and default view 10 line items you have. So other than this one line item if you add, nothing will you can see, okay na? If you whatever you are showing this same line item, if you change whatever that line items detail, it will get reflect.
Okay. Data pertaining to the dimensions will reflect, but like extra line items, if it is not included, it will not show. That's it, no, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
You can see here. So we have created here. So saved view, export saved view for data 03 historic volumes. We have created this one. So for this one, created export saved view, but they are asking, so the data should looks like this. So we should do pivot here, change the dimension here, pivot the dimension. So line item should be in pages, and here you should account plot first, SKU plot second. So how can you decide this one? Means you can see here. So in pages you have volumes, in columns you have time, fine. In rows you can see candidate is account and product SKU is second. So in first and second you can see you should keep accounts plot first and SKU second. So then you will get same as it is whatever we are watching. So this is the way we should save the view. So after completing this one, we need to add filter like this. You can see here, determine the correct module, pivot the filter necessary to create, and we need to add the filter event to this module. So we don't want zeros, so we want to show only uh, numbers. So in that situation, what will you do? Simply we can add filter here. So we need to add filter here. So 1 minute. We should get here greater than 0 values we want here. So is not equal to zeros, we should give condition that greater than 0 values wherever we have. So we should get that details. So we should set such a condition, but we are not getting that condition, means we should check other rules. 1 minute. So that if you get greater than 0 only,
Volumes we need to keep.
yes, you can see here. So we should set greater than 0 values, then only you will get proper. So wherever you get greater than 0 values, so it will filter that details, and wherever you get 0 values, it will do the filter. So it will avoid getting that values. So this is the way how we need to filter, means how we need to avoid that details. So zero details, why? Because the end user don't want zero details. If you want to show wherever the material we have, so that details we can see here. So that is the advantage by using the filter and each and everything by creating the saved view. So whatever the data we want, required data only we can see here. So unwanted data we can't see here. So that is the advantage we have. So you can see, we can compare your answer with screenshot of this learning center. So determine the correct module pivot and filter. So you can see, is it correct or what we are getting wrong here? Yes, you can see this screenshot and your answer. Is it correct what we are getting?
Yes, sir.
So this is the way we need to do filter. So this, so by completing this activity we have completed user story number 3. So next final user story we have here. So we need to store other details. So in sprint user story 1, what are the details we have stored in data hub model? Yes, in user story.
Geographic.
Yes,
Sorry. We have inserted the data into the flat list. Then we have created a we have created the hierarchy into the in the modules. Then from modules we have created saved view, and we have again inserted into the list,
Okay, fine.
geographical list
In
items.
user story, we are storing some details here in data hub model. User story number 1, user story number 2, user story number 3, and user story number 4. In user story number 4, you can see here, so we are storing details here like distribution center details and shipping metric details. Okay na? So we are storing here distribution center and shipping metric details. User story number 3, which details we have stored? User story number 3, user story number 1, what we have stored?
Geography details, user beginning stock, sir. Open stock.
Yes. So starting in user story number 1, geography details we have stored. So region, country, location, each and every details. And user story number 2, what type of details we have stored?
Product and product SKU.
Product and product family details we have stored. And user story number 3, what type of details we have stored? Please turn off video. Turn off video. Arsha, please turn off video.
Maybe she's not there, sir. You can cancel her.
She is not, no.
Maybe she's not looking into the laptop.
Okay, okay. Please turn Please turn off Arsha. Turn off your video. So anyway, so you can see here in user story number 3, what details we have stored here? User story number
Ring stock for each product SKU item, sir.
User story number 3, beginning inventory and historic volumes we have added here. We stored. Okay na? So in user story beginning inventory and historic volume data we have stored here. And final user story number 4 you can see here. So in final user story we are storing like shipping metric details and distribution center details. Companies distribution centers and shipping metrics, we are storing this data. Okay na? So that if you add this one, so we can complete our sprint 1, we can start our sprint 2. As a model builder, I need one central location where can I update, import Unicorn Candy Company shipping metric and distribution center parameters data. So I need this because I need to reference this data in subsequent model calculation. So it is time consuming and there is higher risk of error or omission if I must upload it in more than one location. We should each and everything we should get from one location, then only it will help, and time also it will take less time, and even error also chance of getting is error also less, and we can't omit the data even. So each and every data we can upload. So you can see here, so update, create, import data into shipping metrics module. So we need to import the data into shipping metrics modules. So you can see already I think this module is there in data hub model. Data 02 shipping metrics module has been created already, it has been created. So data 02 shipping metrics module uses dimension, shipping method, flat list and product flat list, and these are the line items you have, shipping time and each and everything you can see. So you can see our workspace. In our workspace you can see that module. So data 02 shipping metrics module. So dimensions we are using shipping method flat and product flat. You can see here shipping method flat, and here you can see shipping method flat and product list. So these two dimensions we have used, and each and everything we can see here. So if you open this module, data02 shipping metrics module, this is our module. So each and everything is fine. You can see line items, shipping method plot, time, product plot, each and everything is fine. So next step you can see here. Next, each and everything is fine. You need to import that is total whatever we have, empty module we have. We need to import that empty module with this data. You can see here. So import data file into data02 shipping metrics module. So here you can see open our module. Already we have opened this module and click on import, upload new file. So attach shipping metrics module. Just now I have downloaded this file. So you can see here mapping. So for time, which column I should select here?
Column 1.
You can see for time you have column 1, financial year 2020-21. So for shipping method flat, which I should select here? Shipping method flat.
There is nothing like air, rail, road, no sir, in columns.
We don't have nothing. Shipping method flat, product flat, we don't have anything here. So for line item, simply you have shipping time, cost per thousand, each and everything you can see here. So for this one you have
Column headers.
column header you have. So you can see
Product plus we can give product code.
product code, product flat you can select product code, and you can see here
Shipping code.
shipping method flat you have here, shipping code you have. So you can shipping code here. Yes. So you can check each and every tab here. Each and everything should be mapped.
So time format. Time format is different, no sir.
1 minute I will show. Each and every tab should be checked here. So here, so it is looking some different. That is the reason it is not mapping here. You can see shipping time in weeks, shipping time. So that is, it is not mapping. So yes, time format you can see in in what format our time is there. Financial year 2020-21. Okay na? So that is the reason we are just keeping names. We don't have proper format. So you can check here while importing. If you get error, you can change, no problem. So yes, it is correct. So we don't have proper format in time. So that is the reason we have selected names. That's it. We don't have anything there. So each and everything is completed. So you can see here. You can compare your answer with screenshot of learning center. So if they provide, we can check, no problem. So unfortunately though they didn't provide anything. So okay, finally we will get, no problem. So each and everything is imported properly. So that is correct one. Nothing is wrong. So create saved view for export. We should create saved view here for export. You can see here. Simply you can copy this one So create here shipping, save as, yes. You can open this one, shipping metrics. Just what they are asking to do, you can see here. So what they are expecting, note if your model is existing in saved view, name export in data zero module, please overwrite. Yes, we have done that one. So you can see here each and every dimension. In pages nothing we have. First you have new product, and then shipping method, and then line item, shipping time, and 3 should be there in rows, and in column time should be there. So nothing is there in pages, you should remove here. So line items you should bring here. Yes, product, shipping, each and everything you should bring here. First you should get product, then shipping, product and shipping. Product should be there in top, and line item, shipping flat. So you can see line item should be there in third one. So line item you can bring here, third one. So by dragging here you can get in third position. So product, shipping flat, and line items, and in rows you can in columns you can see simply. So time as we have, so there is no need to change anything. Just simply you can save this one, save the view. Yes, so you can see, you can compare your answer with screenshot. So is it correct what we are doing here, what they have provided? Financial year 2020-21. So 2020-21. So you can see new job or product details 1 1 100 100. So new job or details 1 1 100 100 4 4 30 30. Is it correct whatever we are getting answer? Yes.
Sir,
Yes,
So
sir.
yes, whatever.
sir,
Yes,
we are creating export save view, but we are not exporting data, no, sir.
we are not exporting, just we are creating saved views. Okay na? So whenever you want you can export. So if you want export, you can simply import or export. You can do export wherever you want. Okay na? Just we are preparing data for exporting purpose. We are not doing any export here. Whenever we want you can export. If you want just run export, then automatically it will get export. Nothing will problem. Okay na? So just we are
Okay,
preparing
sir.
everything. So anyway you can see here you completed this activity. So another create distribution center parameter module. We need to create new module here in this section. So here you can see create new module data04 distribution center module. So you should go to module data04 module I want. So that is the reason I will insert here data04 distribution center module. So what are the dimension I should take? SKU plot list and time should be in half year. So SKU plot list, time should be there in, but in half year. So we can't change time now. So later we can change. Okay na? After creating the module you should go to blueprint view, you can change time. So that is a not at all problem. initially we should create the module first. So this is my line item. Summary method we can keep change later by in blueprint view. Master data category, each and everything we can, after creating the module only you can do. So initial you should give each and every detail here. So first of all you should create module. After creating the module you should change the dimension. You can see here, you should time should be there in half year as they told. So you can change time dimension weeks to half year here. In blueprint view you should change. Direct we can't do anything. Yes. So their summary method they told we should keep none. Summary method. Summary method also you should change here. Summary method none. So what they have given instruction. So mass data in where should be model, each and everything they are guiding. Master data category. So category under data functional area should be master data. Just simply copy and paste. Yeah, otherwise we can select here master data here. For this one also we should select master data. This is a category, this is a functional area. Category means under the data, system, input module, whatever we have, calculation module, we should give. Just for clarification, we are dividing each and every module. So you can see here, we created each and every module. We created this module, system 0, data 0 module. So creation of module is completed. After creating the module, we need to import the data into this module. So to import the data into this module, we should download this file and import data into this module. Same procedure. So whatever we follow regularly. So first of all, you should open this module, data 04. So click on data and then import and upload new file. You should select new file, and whatever the file just now I have downloaded, so I should select that file. So I should keep this everyone here. So we can click next here. So we should select proper each and everything. So time should be in column 1. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So next SKU plot should be there.
Code, column 2 code.
Column 2 code is there. So anyway this is the column header. So you can check each and everything. Match names is fine in time. SKU flat you can check each and everything is get mapped. So this is also get mapped. So you can see here, click on run import. Just we have completed successfully, data imported. So each and everything we have completed. So you can compare your answer with screenshot if you have, but unfortunately you don't have, no problem. So each and everything is completed successfully. So create saved view for the export. So we should create saved view to do the export our data. So first of all you should select this name. Yes. So I created saved view here. Create a filter to show only half year. Hint use system module. So you have here other than half years. So you have annual data also, you can see here annual also. Annual data means annual column we are getting here. So if I keep summary here, you will get even that detail also you will get. So if we change this one, generally what happened, we will get this final year wise also we will get detail, but we don't want this detail. So we should do the filter here. So we need to apply filter so that only we can see half year details. So we want to remove that column. So if you want to remove that one, so what should we do? Filter we should apply here. System 02 time setting by year, you can see only half year details only you can see. If you select this detail, you can see only half year details here. So it will get removed. So whatever you have, so far year.
Sir, we can use hide and show selection now, sir.
Yes.
We can use hide and show
No,
selection also. We can.
hide and show is the, that is the manual method. This is a filter. Okay na? If you have
Hide
item,
hide method you can do in default view itself.
okay na? So this is our, if you have large items, large cells each and everything, then in that situation what will you do?
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay na? This is the filter is the best way. We should select best way to while building the model. Okay na? So that is the reason we should filter this detail, so that we can only see the exact details whatever we want. We half year wise we want details, so that is the reason we are watching the half year details here. So this is the way we need to apply the filter here. So anyway, you can see pivot details here what they are showing. So line item should be there here, SKU plot should be there here. So you can click here. I didn't save this filter here, that is the reason again it is showing. Each and every time we should save the view. I didn't save, I think that is the reason. So it is get removed. So fine. Now you can see here, you can compare these details. We should compare our answer with screenshot of learning center. Yes. So determine the correct module pivot and filter necessary to create the saved view. So line item should be there in pages and product should be there in rows. In column anyway you have time. So is it correct what we got here? Is there anything wrong here? Yes. Is it correct?
Correct.
Yes, sir.
So whatever we got, each and everything is correct. So we can finally one activity is one screenshot they are providing. so that you can understand. If you get from starting each and everything correct, then only your final answer will be correct. So we can understand. So they are each and after each and every answer they are not providing any screenshot. So this is the second level, that is the reason. So each and everything they are not showing. So we should understand how we are getting each and everything, and we should go ahead. Okay now, by just they will provide step, that's it. They will not provide to do filter what should you do, and each and everything they are not providing here. We need to understand, to filter, to apply filter, where should we go and what should we do. Each and everything they will not give, just they will give hint, that's it. Whenever we are applying filter, generally we go to system modules. So if you are want system modules like half year, monthly, so related to that module we should select. So anyway, we completed this activity, so we can go ahead for next activity. So you can see here, review the actions in data hub model for the import that we are completed during the build for model builder user story 3 and user story 4. So whatever we have created in user story number 3 and 4, you can see here. So in actions pane you can see. So these are the different details whatever we have done while doing these details, user story number 3 and 4. I think these details. So from T 3.3 under whatever we have, these details we need to rename. So each and everything you can see here. So rename the action and update load transport metrics process. So using the recommended naming convention, rename the import action for the shipping metrics. So add shipping metrics import action to existing process for load transport metrics. So first of all we should shipping metrics details whatever you have. So that details what should you do, add shipping metrics import action to existing process for load transport. So this you have process here for load transport metrics. So in this one, so we should run each and every details whatever we have done in shipping details, whatever we have done so far. So regarding shipping metric details whatever we have done here in this one, yes, you have here shipping details, one thing you can see here. Yes, which one you have done? Data 02 shipping metric details, one thing you have here. So this we should insert here. So one thing you can see, add shipping metrics import action and existing process for load transport metrics. This is the one first thing we should do. Using the recommended naming convention, rename the import action for the shipping metrics. So what can we give rename action for this one? Yes, for shipping metrics what can I give? If we, which name is good for this one? We should proper name. They will not providing any name. We should give. Which name is suitable for this one? Yes,
4.1, sir.
you can give 4.1.
4.1 shipping metric import action.
You can give simply 4.1
Shipping metrics.
You
Hmm.
can give like load shipping metrics details, load shipping metric details.
Import.
You can use the shipping metrics details. Proper name we should only analyze and we should give. That's it. Nothing is there. So then these action what they are asking, first of all we should do rename. Using the recommended naming convention, rename the import action for the shipping metrics. Add shipping metrics import action to existing process for load transport metrics. So already you have existing process here for load metrics. In this one we should add. So are you able to see my screen? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, you can see. We need to add our action 4.1 to our process. So simply you should select that one. In for load transport metrics you should add 4.1 whatever we have done rename. So then simply you should run this action, that's it. So you should run this action, so it will each and everything will get update. So each and everything is completed whatever they are asking to do. So this is the first step we have completed. So rename using the recommended naming convention each and everything. So next step you can see, rename the actions and create load actuals and master data process. So we should rename the actions, so and we should create the load actuals and master data process. So new process they are asking to create. You can see create new process, load actuals and master data. So you should create here new process, sorry, we should add new process here. Already we have each and everything, so we should add new process. We should give name 6 load. So at the end I want, so you should click on actions, then new action, then process. So you should get that window and you should copy paste that name and you should click on OK. So you should get this one load actuals and master data, you will get this process. So in this process we should add, in this process we should insert these actions whatever they are asking. Rename the import actions for beginning inventory, historic volumes and distribution center parameters, and then add them to process number 6. So you can see beginning inventory, historic volume, distribution parameters. So 3 details we want here. So where you have, you can see here beginning inventory, historic details and distribution center parameters. These 3 details, data 01, data 03 and data 04, these 3 details we should add into process number 6. So whatever we have created just now, so you should rename this one. So for this one, which name I should give here? Yes,
6.1 beginning inventory
simply I
details.
can give 6.1. 6.1 beginning inventory details. So if I give yes, it is fine. So next you have historic volumes. For this one, what name I should give? Yes,
6.2 historic
6.2
volume.
historic volume, historic volumes details we can give. So for this one, what should I give? Distribution center parameter
6.3.
6.3 I can give simply. So if I give 6.3, each and everything is fine. So simply I should add this, I should insert these actions to this process. 6 number process we should insert. So whatever we have just now modified, 6.1, 6.2 and 6.3. These actions I should insert here. So after inserting, I should run this one. 6.1, 6.2, 6.3. I should run this one. Yes, each and everything successfully completed. We stored these details even in process number 6. So you can rename all these details. Renaming is completed, each and everything is completed. We should reorder each and every detail actually. So what these 4 details should be there here. Reorder we should do. So that you didn't get confused. So you can see this 4 should be there after 3. You can see, yes, after 3.2 you should be there, it should be there 4.1, and after 4.1, so we have this 6.1, 6.2, 6.3. So you can move up this one here, 6.1 each and everything. So you can apply this one. Something is we have missed here. So why we are not getting 5 here? After 4 we are getting 6 here. So something is we didn't completed this 5th one, I think. So somewhere is missed, or I think it we need to complete it. You can see here. So after 4 we have direct 6 only. You don't have 5 details here. I think you will get here. Okay, we can wait, no problem. So anyway, we are, if you find that mistake, you try to uh, explain me here, try to remind me, so we can close that one also if you miss any step. Okay na?
Model to model export and import is not done, sir. 1.3, I think.
1 point,
Lesson.
which activity?
Model to model import is not done. Model
Which
to
activity?
model.
Activity number?
I don't know.
Activity
In user story 1. User story 1, I think, sir.
user story 1.
Number
User story 1. This is user story 1.
model.
Activity number?
So 1.3.8 model to model import is not done. This and 1.3.9 is also not done.
That is not
But
activity, Saujanya. In the you don't have any activity here. Okay na? So
is it theory, sir?
that is theory. You can see here. If you will get here activity.
Okay. Okay.
So where I think we can, if you each and everything, Saujanya,
I am up to date, sir. I'm up to
then
date. I don't know where we are missing fifth sequence.
did you
Today I
get?
will check and tell, sir.
Okay, fine. So if you get fifth 5 number, remind me, so we can complete it. Otherwise, I think it will be later. I think even I am getting this extra details. I think this comes under 5 details: region, country, location details. So I think these details comes under this.
लेटर स्टेजेस में आएगा फिफ्थ.
I think later stages it will get no problem. So we can wait, no problem. 1 minute. First of all, we should not get confused. So anyway, where we are exactly now? Yes. So rename and update the actions. We are there exactly here. So after completing this one, so we completed this one, process number 6 and each and everything is completed. So these imports are independent for each of each other. So there is not specified order of operation. You still should follow the name convention and organize the import accordingly. Update notes and reorganize the process and action necessary. So you can see in later process, I think we have this one. So file load geographies. So this is a file number. After updating the action process in data hub model, the action list should be looks like this example. So just
Load geographies we are missing,
load
sir.
geography we need to create. In load geography, what you have 5.1. So region plot, location plot, region plot, country plot, location plot, system 06 and system 07. So these 5 should be comes under uh, this process number 5, 5 load
Geography
geographies.
flows.
Okay, na? So I think it is there in user story number 1. So you can see that is the reason you are getting 5 things here extra: region, country, location, system 06 and system 07. So we need to add another process. Okay, anyway, tomorrow I will add this one. So within 2 minutes we can add and we can complete that one, so that our user story number 4 also will get complete. So each and everything will get complete and you can start verify your organization. So rename, yes. So if you complete that one, each and everything will be successful. So verify your model organization. Just each and everything we should check. So fine, so that you can see here. Next we need to download the supply chain model and we need to check some points. So 1 or 2 points we need, two activities we have, so that we can start sprint 2. So anyway, so we for today it is enough. So please complete all these activities as soon as possible. So you will get confused otherwise. So we missed one step. I will cover that one. So we can add another process to in our process list. So we can include that actions, whatever we have pending actions, we can insert into that file load geographies, so that each and everything will be clear. So is it all right for all? Do you have any doubt in this one? Yes. Is it clear for all?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
complete all activities, and when you are going to give mock interview, each and everyone I asked to, after completing level 1, so I asked that 50 questions to give mock interview. What happens? What about FICE?
Sir, I will give tomorrow, sir.
Tomorrow, okay, 100% you should give. Already it is 1 week is completing. Last Sunday I asked to give mock interview. Saujanya, when you are going to give mock interview for that first level 1 50 question answers?
Technical also, sir.
First 50 level 1 I am asking, each and everything you should.
Level 1, sir, there are technical questions also in that 1 to 50 questions, sir.
Yes, yes,
User
technical.
stories,
Yes, I have
aptitude,
provided
sir.
50 question answers for level 1 separate. Okay, na? So that
Okay, sir.
each and everything you should go through it and you should prepare for mock interview. Otherwise you will get lot of doubts, what is time scale in, and what are the different integration methods, and what are the general list, and versions, time scale you have. Each and every answer question I covered there. What is saved view, what is filter, what are the UX pages, each and everything I covered in that one. Okay na? So before
Okay, sir.
you should give a mock interview for level 1, so that you can understand very clearly. So Hamed, when you are going to give mock interview for level 1?
Sir, I will give sir Sunday on Sunday.
Before on Sunday everyone should give mock interview. So so that you can understand very clearly concept. So Jakub, you should also prepare for mock interview. On Sunday everyone should give mock interview.
Okay, sir.
Okay na? And one more thing. So whenever I am not available, I am giving this Hidayat bro to some responsibilities. But if he asks, no one is giving response, what is the problem?